was a boy, a very strange and shattered boy. They say he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy, so sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest joy you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Very strange and shattered boy. They say he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy, so sad of eye, but very wise was he. Magic day, he passed my way, and as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest joy you ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.